Alright, so I've got here a Bosch. This is one of my new toys. The Xiaomi stick is dead. Maybe Harry did something to it. It's dead. Okay. So I'm gonna try and use this in my new job. So this is genuine original Bosch um, from an Australian distributor. Bosch stickers, whatnot. So let's see. I need something reliable that will last me a long time. You may know I've been using a Bosch green drill, cordless drill, for as long as I've started my business, long time, and hasn't failed me one bit. And you can see the videos of me using this going back a few years. So let's see, hopefully this will be something I can look forward to using. Okay. Okay, sounds simple. Okay. I see that's manual torque. Push it forward, drill in, drill out. Okay, sounds simple. And the heads. Feels very solid. And a micro USB cable and a manual. Okay. I'm gonna see if these can be used on laptops. This is not something you will normally use it on. Okay. They are very thick, so let me see. Will that work on there? Nope. Now, how can I use, this is what I really want to use, these tiny ones, they won't fit inside, it's loose. My idea was to, oh here we go, that's something here. That's to make it longer. Okay. Probably use that. I need to make big to small. How? I think I need to buy an extension or something. Still too big. Yeah, I mean, that will work. That will work. Just need to convert something to there. Male and female. So I'll go online and buy something that will fit, that will make it compatible. Yeah, nothing here. What a waste of time. Okay, not a big deal, not the end of the world. We'll find something later on. Okay, here is a power supply which I will work later on to attempt to repair. See if we can just give it a go on this. So basically the idea is you push down, zzz, push up, zzz. Okay, let's see if that's how easy it is. So it's up to unscrew. Okay, torque is not strong enough. Max. Cool. That just worked beautifully. Down. Cool. Up. Oh, that's really, really ingenious. Cool, you can actually adjust, and it's a little natural, which is nice. And for PCs, I can adjust the torque. Okay. Probably 3, third option, so second option. Nice. Look at that. No buttons to press. Be nice to build the computers with this. It'll be super quick. How easy was that? If I can just find an adapter for this to be used in these smaller bits, that would be awesome. Maybe I may not even need, probably I do. It's a bit too big. I need something smaller. What's that? Oh, that's to cover it like that. Okay, I see. Okay. Or I can use this to put all these guys in. Oh, that will give me some nice organization, which I will actually do this way now. They're all lying around, you know. Really annoying. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I think that's about it for now. There's not much else to it. I'll be curious to know what's in there. Why don't we have a look on the inside? So it's 3.6 volts. That means there is a 3.6 volt battery, maybe 18650, or a maybe 18650. Or it's got a polymer battery. Let's see. Shouldn't really open a new toy. I'm gonna make a mess of it. Why don't we turn it off? So put in the middle, power button. Okay, that's off. Yeah, mate. Okay, good idea. I will do that right away. Okay, I'm coming. 1 second. Okay. So we can see there it uses the 18650 battery. Do I really want to take that out? Answer is no. I'm going to make a mess of this. I see what they've done. Okay. Okay, so that guy offers some sort of security. There's a clip here. If you push it down, maybe. So you may be able to see that clip. It's just an assumption. Doesn't budge at all. How about here? No. I think that is something that comes off. Yeah. Okay. This is not what I expected to do for this video. Why not? Okay. Wow, I really need a very strong tool. Does that go all the way? So basically that offers some sort of a support so it doesn't go in and out. Okay. I'm gonna break the clip. It's gonna be loose in there all the time. No, I'm not gonna fuck around, okay. Unless I need to. So it's basically activates when it's pushed in, okay. Alright, that's about it, so I'm just gonna put this guy back in. There's no point messing about with this for no reason. It's just a new toy. If it does break in the future, yeah, I will actually go ahead. And disassemble it. Oh, fuck. Okay. It has more grip, which is nice. I like it. It's nice to have a grip. It hasn't got a light. Maybe it would be nice to have a light. Made in Malaysia. I feel it's heavy as well. Yeah, basically I need a female of this to fit these guys here. And I should be in business. I thought I may have some. Let me check one more time. No, can't find it. Yeah, no, I'll probably find it when I don't need it. Okay. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.